This video is going to show you how to find an assignment that your teacher gave you on Google Classroom, how to write in that assignment, and then how to give that to your teacher on Google Classroom. So first, we need to find our assignment. So I'm opening up Google Classroom on my phone. And usually near the top of the class, you'll see what your teacher wants you to do. But what I'm looking for is, my teacher wanted me to write something. So I'm opening that assignment. Usually there's some instructions at the top of the page, and then this blue piece here, this blue button, this is writing practice. So that is the doc that my teacher wants me to write on. That's like where I'm writing everything. So I open that up, I click on that. And just real quick, you might need to download docs. So if you need to do that on your iPhone, you go to the App Store and search for Google Docs. For other people with an Android phone, same thing. I'm going to look for Google Docs. And there it is. So I might have to download that first because this allows me to write on things. So even though I need that, I'm still doing everything on my Google Classroom. Actually, I'm not leaving this app to do my homework today. So again, I'm going to open up this document, and here's my question, and it's my paper that I'm going to write on. So if I want to answer this question, I click this pencil, and if I want to write as text, I need to look at the bottom of the screen and click on this A button. That opens up text for me. So now I click on the screen with my finger, and I can write my answer for So let's say I'm finished. By the way, it's definitely easier to write and write more with your computer. You don't have to download anything on your computer. You just use a web page. But if the phone is what I'm using and I'm finished here, at the top of the screen, top right, there's three circles. There's three dots. I'm going to click that and then click save. So remember, in Google Classroom, you will be able to save. If you're trying to write outside of this app, you won't see those options to save because it's not going to know where to send your work. So I'm done. And if I want to check if I'm going to send my teacher the correct thing, the thing I just did, I can swipe up. You can see there's this swipe up option. And there it is. That's what I just wrote. Okay, here's the final step. You have to, so you did your work, but you didn't give it to your teacher yet. So we have to click this orange button. It says turn in. So I click that. When I click turn in, now I've sent it to my teacher. If I don't like something I did and I change my mind, you can unsubmit. That means you take it back from your teacher, so they don't have it anymore. So when you can even add a new attachment if you have something in saved, if you worked on something earlier. But the simplest way is to just do everything in the app. And if you feel like you're finished, you just turn it in. So those are the basics of how to turn in your assignment using your phone on Google Classroom.